Oh, hey! Akala mo ba, expense lang ang insurance mo? Wait until you hear this. Marami sa atin in-train tayo isipin na ang insurance is just another bill. Parang Netflix, subscription lang. Wala namang babalik sa'yo. Pero here's the catch. Kung may cash value ang policy mo, hindi lang siya protection, asset mo na din siya. And there's two reasons why. Number one, it protects your family's future income. Kapag nawala ka, hindi babagsak ang buhay nila. Number two, it builds value habang buhay ka pa. Pwede mo siyang gamitan as leverage, collateral, or cash source in the future. Legit financial tool ito, hindi lang just in case na gastos. Kaya when people say mahal ang insurance, actually mas mahal ang walang proteksyon at walang asset building kapag biglang may nangyari sa'yo. Kaya follow for more kung gusto mong matuto kung paanong gawing asset ang protection mo, hindi lang expense. This is Joshua Herrera, your insurance expert.